Stovetop Espresso Maker. Number 1. Grosh Milano Stovetop Espresso Maker. The Grosh Milano is the most wallet-friendly coffee maker on our list, but the brand hasn't cut any corners when it comes to quality. The pot itself is a durable food-grade aluminum that makes it just as suitable for outdoor use as is for the kitchen. The colored models have an enamel coating that provides extra durability, as well as looking pretty cool. The gasket seal is made from silicone, which has a higher heat resistance and longevity than the rubber you find in some other brands. 5. The Grosh Milano is advertised as not compatible with induction stoves, but if you're in a pinch it will work on glass induction stovetops, just a little slowly. This Mocha pot is available in the biggest range of sizes, with 1, 3, 6, 9 and 12 cup versions available, in a choice of black, chrome, white, red and blue. Number 2. Cuisin Ox Roma. The Cuisin Ox Roma boasts a more elegant, refined design. It's handcrafted, which adds to the appeal. But the fact that this is done in the PROC, China, and not in Italy, takes away that appeal. Performance-wise, the Roma lives up to the high-set standards in the industry, featuring a number of awesome features including a heavy-gauge 18/10 stainless construction with an induction base that makes it safe to use on all cooking surfaces. Number 3. Bialetti Mocha Express Stovetop Espresso Maker. Bialetti is the number 1 player in the stovetop espresso maker market, which is not a surprise once you see the thousands of happy customer reviews on their Mocha pots. Due to its features, the Bialetti Mocha Express has long been dubbed as one of the best coffee makers. The octagonal shape of the coffee maker allows the heat to distribute perfectly while your coffee brews, resulting in a strong mocha pot coffee in under 5 minutes. 4. Once you're done, cleanup is easy thanks to the compartment design. Just unscrew it, wash it, and get on with your day. The Italian-made Mocha Express range is so popular that they made it available in 1, 3, 6, and 9 cup options, so choose the right size for your preference and you'll start your day with the perfect amount of coffee. Number 4. Bialetti Elegance Venus Induction 6 Cup. The Bialetti Venus features soft lines and a harmonious design that gives it, just as the name suggests, an elegant look. It's a beauty to the eye. It also produces great tasting coffee. Its stainless steel construction means it's suited for induction cooktops. The handle is insulated to resist high temperatures, hence you can use the unit without having to worry about burning yourself when pouring. However, if you're using this over a campfire, be careful not to have the handle directly over the flame. This stovetop espresso maker is portable and can be taken when on a trip without any forms of inconvenience. You can even go on camping trips and still enjoy the best espresso. Number 5. Tops Rapid Brew Stovetop Coffee Percolator. This coffee percolator is built with the ability to produce up to 12 cups of freshly perked coffee. Even though the unit is non-electric, it still functions efficiently in a fast and decent manner. The design is a beauty to look at, with a sparkling high-luster heavy-gauge 18/8 stainless steel with a clear glass cover knob to observe brew strength. The basket and stem assembly are made out of high-quality solid metal. This makes it perfect for outdoor use, on a gas burner or fire. The permawood wood grain handle, which makes it easier to handle the stovetop even when hot.